Hello everyone, let me show you how to check SSD performance on Windows 11. First thing you need to do is click on the Windows Start menu and look for Settings and click that. Now under Recommended Settings, look for Storage and click that. Now scroll down, click Advanced Storage Settings, click that. And scroll down a bit and look for disks and volumes and click that. Now here is the information that we're needing. Go to the right and click Properties. Now, as you can see, the manufacturer is Intel. There is not a lot of information for my computer. You have status and partition style. You do not have health. There should be a health one there. Maybe yours is a little different from my manufacturer. Mine is Intel. This is sadly the only amount of information I can give you on this SSD because that's all I've got. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, if you could leave a like, that'd be great. Subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to be notified almost instantly when a new video is live on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself.